Fleshy, did anyone get splattered on that freeway? Team Prime knows when to use force. And how much to use.
Bullshit, I needed that! I needed that! Stay broken.
Fowler's lounging around some poolside cabana.
Bulkhead, I needed that!
We can free Miko if we can just return that harvester to the museum.
So the Decepticons can steal it all over again?
I am so dumb.
So how are we going to help Miko? By returning this replica to the museum. The construction of which would be going a whole lot faster if Bulkhead hadn't just mangled my frame welder.
We're already trespassers and thieves. Why not add forgery to the list?
Yes. Go on, Scout. Obey my will.
Bumblebee! I needed that! What has gotten into you? You weren't able to determine the Decepticon's location, or if Optimus was even aboard ship?
I couldn't confirm.
Bullshit!
What? You needed that? Only thing I need is our head honcho back.